Sometimes, if you're using an Android phone, you can see so many notifications on your lock screen. But if you don't want notifications on your lock screen, you can disable that. In this video, we'll show you how to disable notifications from the lock screen on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you can see one option called Notifications. Tap on Notifications. When you tap on that, here you can see Lock Screen. Tap on Lock Screen. And one thing is that, according to brands, there will be some changes. I'm using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, settings looks like this. If you're having any confusion, what you can do is open Settings and search for Notifications here. When you search for that, you can see the Notifications option. And here, select Lock Screen. After selecting that, here you can see the Format option. Tap on Format. And here you need to select Don't Show Lock Screen Notification. Sometimes it will be set to show notification and content or show notification but hide content. If that is selected, notifications will be there. But if you select Don't Show Lock Screen Notification, no lock screen notification will be there. So this way you can easily disable lock screen notification on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.